Hi everyone, we're back in chapter 6, skincare products, chemistry, ingredients, and selection. And in this section, 6-8, we're going to summarize the points to consider when you are choosing a professional skincare line. Now, most estheticians are going to be faced with choosing a professional skincare line at some point in their career. And it's one of the biggest business decisions that you will ever make. Whether a technician is self-employed or involved in choosing product lines for their salon owner, the product line and the retail sales do affect the success of your business. So it's really important to remember that when you're choosing a product line, you're also choosing a company that will be in a long-term business partnership with you. So a manufacturer may offer the most amazing products, but if they don't provide any support in education and marketing to help your business grow and to be successful, it may not be the right partnership for you. So we're going to go through when you're choosing a product line. Here's some things to consider. Is the range of the products versatile? That is, are those products available for all skin types and conditions? And then another thing, are the ingredients high quality and are they beneficial? Are the wholesale costs and the retail prices affordable for you and your clients? Does the manufacturer require minimum order amounts or product quantities? So you got to watch for that because there are some that have some really high amounts. What support in the product training and education does that manufacturer provide? Okay, educational opportunities and training classes, they help you become more knowledgeable and confident and successful. What support in the business and marketing does a manufacturer provide? Cost of samples and brochures, return policies, and marketing items, they all affect your business. Is the product name recognizable and reputable? Many clients, they choose a product based on its name and how it's marketed. So is the packaging appealing and is it easy to use? Is the shelf appeal? It can be a very important factor when you're successfully retailing. Okay, so does the manufacturer sell exclusively to licensed skincare professionals, or do they sell directly to consumers through their own website and authorized online retailers? So it's very important to know because the convenience of online shopping will continue to grow. And if you're spending time educating your clients on product recommendations, it may really hurt your business if they can easily purchase those products directly from the manufacturer or an authorized online retailer. Okay, product brands are now recognizing this, and some have implemented programs to assist licensed professionals in this process. Also, you want to keep in mind when you're researching that there's a lot of unauthorized sales of professional brands on the internet. So, although manufacturers, they enforce very strict guidelines prohibiting the sale of their products online, individuals will continue to find unethical ways to earn some easy money. So you want to warn your clients that unauthorized products for sale may actually harm their skin, as most of them are going to be old, they're expired, or they're counterfeit. So let's take a look at this little chart here. Okay, so this table here, it compares the rate, compares and rates product lines, sorry. So make a copy of this or create your own and fill in the blanks with while sampling and testing different products. Okay, so for instance, let's just take a look. So the skin type. what cleansers, toners, serums, moisturizers, exfoliants, masks, sunscreens, and other do they have? What are the key ingredients? What's the cost range? What's the quality, the texture, the scent, the packaging? Okay, so you want to look at these. Are they sold online? Okay, so you want to print you up a few of these and then compare them side by side with different retailers and see what would be a really good fit for you and what they offer as well. Okay, so the product prices and the cost. Pricing and the cost of products is a really important consideration for you and for your clients. So generally the markup for retail products is 100% or double the salon's wholesale cost. For instance, if I bought something for $10, then I would mark it up at $20. Okay, so 100%. Also keep in mind that in addition to the wholesale cost of the products, salon owners, they have other business expenses related to those products like shipping, stocking and inventory, and employee wages. So a good way to determine the actual product cost is you want to break down the purchase price into daily or weekly costs. So here I put that down, determine the actual product cost, break it down into daily or weekly costs. Okay, so this gives clients a better idea of how affordable the product really is and how much they're actually spending, which is usually not more than a cup of coffee a day. For example, here's the example they put to find out the monthly. Okay, so if this product costs you $50 for 2 ounces, and they say it's going to last 6 months, you take $50, 50 divided by 6 months, and that equals $8.33 per month. Okay, so the cost per week, you take the $8.33, and then what you want to do is divide that by 4, okay, because that's going to give you, there's usually 4 weeks in a month, so that's $2.08 per week, okay. Now, if you want to know the daily cost, you take the $2.08 that we figured, and you divide it by 7 days in a week, and that equals about 30 cents a day. So again, you can see that it's a very good price for maintaining beautiful skin. Now, in your textbook, there's a lot of different web resources that they've got all kinds of information on regulations, skincare ingredients, product formulations. So go on those websites and check them out because they've got some really good information. Okay, so that concludes this section and this chapter on skincare products, chemistry, ingredients, and selection. There is a check-in question that goes with this section, and it is list your top 3 most important considerations when you're choosing a product line. And then the second question, what is a good way to determine actual product costs? Okay, so go ahead, answer those questions, email them to me at krista@oliverfinley.com, and then go back through, reread this section, and there's a do section of compare and rate product lines. It's a download. And then there's another do section, home care products, case study part 2. Okay, so then after this, after you finish today, then tomorrow go ahead and do the review. Okay, so and your final is due tomorrow. So chapter 6, do the final chapter exam, and there's study cards, flashcards, product ingredient research project, we will do that when we get back together. And then we have the image product manual on there, and there's a flash facial that you can check out, and then the image products for environmental protection. Okay, so you go ahead and check all those out, and then do your final exam. And good luck, everybody. See you later.